guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being so amazing. Thank you for being so consistent. Happy prosperous new year. I am wishing you and your family lots of love, and I am wishing you a lot of abundance this year. So I am home on New Year Day. I am here with my family, and I am cooking pan butter with my mom. I am either doing a recording and she's doing the cooking, but you all know what I'm saying. So today I hope you learn how to cook real crude pan butter, how it's done, the process, everything.
We tell God thank you for life. I will be cooking pan butter, but I want to show some people how we can cook the crude pan butter. This is the pan nut. They kiss me. I'm going to bust this and you will see it later. This is the bella ball and the pepper. This is the dry fish and the fried fish, the pumpkin and the pan butter leaf. This is the pan butter leaf. So later you people will ride with us to see the process.
You know, I'm always posting about your food online, so you gotta test it well.
But you know, I always doing that, my baby girl.
So one thing that I have learned is that crew women or crew people in general, they don't cook from bottle. I get impression of.
Yes,
Why?
sure. Oh, when I was coming up, my mother will always used to tell us that you have to take bath before you scratch the palm nut, because if you not if you not take bath to scratch the palm nut, the palm butter will be fresh. Because as a woman, you have to take bath before you scratch palm nut. That's what I learned.
Thank you. Thank you for welcoming us into your kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, all know the woman told me that if I don't get a lot of followers on YouTube, she might be on the channel. I know I changed her mind this morning. Maybe that girl is working this new year.
I know, and new year, new thing. Shall ride with rich auntie, eh? Okay.
Yeah, I'll talk to a rich auntie. You'll watch out for the woman channel soon.
Yes, ride with rich auntie. She will show you more.
You say the only crew I'm gonna do what?
The only crew more I can go to Bagi, I can face GB like that she from Nimba County.
I say the most versatile.
You hear what me, oh? Hey. Okay. So after this, I'm going to wash my palm nut.
So after this, what is next?
I'm going to put the palm nut on the fire now and bust the casing. Yeah, bust
So what
it.
are you really grateful for this year?
I'm grateful for life, oh. My daughter, it was not easy. Though the year December already end up with pain. I lost my brother. Tear to my heart. It was not easy, but by the grace of God, the other family were able to cross over. But all in all, we tell God, thank you for life. Okay. So now the pan is on the fire. Okay.
Can you tell what you do after this?
After this, I'm going to cut the case meat. Then when the pan not done, I'm going to pound it.
So a lot of people don't know this, but pumpkin is rich in a lot of vitamins. It helps with eyes problems. It helps with a lot of issues, and even palm nut that we're using to make the palm nut soup, it helps with vitamin K. It is really strong in vitamin K, and overall, I just never thought that palm butter could be healthy because of the oil and everything. But after reading this morning, I realized that some of the ingredients that we're using are really healthy and good for the body. So feel free to use these ingredients whenever you're cooking your own pan butter at home.
I already cleaned it yesterday.
That's how I was chicken feet.
Clean it yesterday. Put it in the pot. When you cook the pan butter, all the things you have to steam it. And the cask in the chicken feet. And the dry sausage. You go for pan butter. Then when if you won't buy it, for the people in the diaspora, I can send money for people to buy them fish. They want the piece that I showed them just now. 8 pieces, $5 can get it. Like for this, 8 pieces, $5 can get it too. The kangwe, they call it kangwe. Garlic. They want an onion. That onion sissy. For the first thing.
So you don't go fresh onion in the palm oil?
No, before it gets sour. I want a black pepper.
Do you have a measurement for these things?
I only measure by heart. Well, don't go there with me. You say you know me. And they won't call it crown.
Unga and crown.
But for the crown and the unga is very soft. So it's even okay when you're not knock it with something else. So your hair is okay. So all these things, put it on tie that the people see.
The way crown fit, that's again be acting. I had to say we still.
So for the fresh fish yesterday, as how they call it, Sissy already. So I will only put it here when it's steam. I will take it off.
So why you take it off?
I will take it off because I want it to mash. When the palm butter is above the dough there, I'll put it. Yeah, I will add it up. So cook the palm butter like this because it gets fresh. So you have to do everything you can to make it okay. As you all know, today is New Year Day. 5, okay. So the banana will leave for tomorrow,
Oh my God, I'm serious. No time. I gotta work it. We're gonna fire in the morning.
I finished washing you.
You finished washing everything?
I finished washing.
Hi. I even showing my mouth. My own experience from it's out of this world, I swear. The minute sun come up, I thought I want to be looking at the wash, thinking to clean. And my mom been anywhere I go, I can be looking at the people's house. My feet small sin. And I won't go back again.
I love cleanliness now. Oh. If you're not able to do it, I can do it. But then when I do it,
don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it. I'm a part of that. The only way I get fair with you. Crawfish cream here, I blending it, then we'll get a sense flavor. I will rich auntie. If but you follow me on my own channel, you post everything while I was cleaning it, and so now I blend the pepper, I put the pepper, everything over it. The leaf you see there is the palm butter leaf. That green leaf is the palm butter leaf. I'm going to steam it, and then when the palm nut, when I beat the palm nut, when I get the palm butter, then after I steam it, I put it on top. But before putting the palm butter on top, I will take the fish, the fresh fish from there.
So what is the purpose of the palm butter leaf?
The palm butter leaf get it fancy. Now, cool people will understand why I mean.
Oh, so why you trying to tell someone?
Okay. So the palm nut for my Liberian people, I can eat P4. See the P4 I boil it with the palm nut. For me, I can eat P4. So I'm gonna cook this soup without tasting it. So that I will wash the P4 and put it there.
Hey y'all, so we successfully did it. My mom cooking behind, and I'm behind the camera, so yay. In the corner there. That's the mother pencil. That's my cousin, her name is Fran. Why do I look sleepy? I'm not sleepy at all. Wow, the smell is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to eat the tomato.
I'm knocking it for the second time.
Okay, stop knocking it. I tell why you knocking for a second
I'm
time.
knocking it for the second time because the rock can be inside it.
They
When you
sing.
boil it, yeah, they sing.
So after knocking it again, you wash it and put it on the fire?
No, I finish boiling it now.
Okay.
After we rinse it and put it over the and put it in the pot, the soup pot.
Okay.
Yeah. Finish now. The main thing is all to focus on now. I wish it. Okay. Because the mother not big. I want to do small, small, but when I have big mother, when you get big mother, you can just put it there one time. Big mother. Because the reason why you can put the hot water there for the oil. So you put the oil, man, I'm milk. And I cool water is fish away, you're not getting the oil, it's all the dressing. But now you see it slow, so they dressing. So now the fire, I'll not make it plenty for you to pour oil. After you pour the oil, before I'll make the fire plenty.
Okay, so we're just waiting for it to boil now. Oh, it looks so beautiful.
And the pan also leave oil so.
Ah, they get rid of the children. Wow. My man said, leave me over. Hey guys, so the food is ready. So I'm going to be tasting the food to give you all my review, and I'm not going to be biased just because she's my mom. Mm. As usual, she doesn't disappoint. Not one bit. My soul more getting better than I can equal. Once again, happy prosperous new year. This is the first part of my day. Hopefully there'll be a second part. But thank you so much for following till now. See you later. So this is the weirdest outro ever, but this is how I spend my New Year. So I'm about to go wash my hair, so I'll just leave it right here. Bye bye. And this is like my fifth time eating. The pomodoro is delicious. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for being consistent. Let us enter this new year with positivity and a lot of hope to achieve more and do more and become better humans to each other. Love you all so much. Bye bye.